We are at the market.
Wow, so cute.
Hi! We're going on a little adventure. The school has organized this activity. I think we're going to cycle to a river and then enjoy the view, and I'll take you with me. I'm on my way home. The other people went to a bar, but I don't know, I just don't feel like being in a bar right now. So I am on my way back to the dormitory. It's quite a long walk actually, and I have limited internet access. We'll see how that works out. But other than that, I had a really, really good day. I was just thinking that I realized that it's been quite a long time since I've been like genuinely happy. And even though I know that at some point I have to be back in Switzerland and, work and all that, like right now, I really, really enjoy just being able to shut off. The past year has actually been quite difficult for me because I've almost become this robot that doesn't really do anything else than function. And I've also noticed that I kind of like neglected everything else. Like I didn't work out anymore. At that point, I decided to actually do something and come here. It's been one of the best decisions because this was what I was looking forward to this whole time, and it's totally worth it. And now that I'm here, like this genuine happiness is one of the best things. Oh my god, also look at how cute this place is. So sweet. Oh, it was a good workout. The mountains around here are truly beautiful. They have this sense of calming. It's really nice. I'm used to mountains. The ones around here are a little different, yet to me it feels like they still fulfill the same purpose. I thought for sure that I would have an extreme cultural shock coming to China, but to be honest, so far it's been quite okay. Maybe it's because I've lived in Hong Kong for a while, which prepared me a little bit for the Chinese way of living, or maybe it's just that I prepared myself, but I'm quite positively surprised how comfortable I feel here. I will say, I was afraid of the squat toilets. I'm always afraid to like fall in, but actually I feel like it's a little more sanitary than a Western toilet, so... Can y'all hear that? What's happening? I feel like they would tell us if the world is going down, right? This is like the other part of living here. I just don't have any idea what's going on. But it's kind of nice because I live in my own bubble and I just don't care. When I initially came here, I thought that I'm gonna eat super healthy because I'm not gonna eat any like snacks or sweet things. They don't really have desserts here like we have, but like the amount of chocolate that I eat at home is significantly less here. But then I discovered something called a snack store, and now I have a problem. A delicious problem. I also got matcha cake. tastes like tea leaves. Good tea leaves. I want to give you a room tour. Not because I necessarily think that anybody will watch this or that it is necessarily interesting, but just because when I'm a grandma, I want my grandchildren to see how I used to live. You know, when they have flying cars and speaking toilets and smart homes, they will appreciate this. It's not that bad. It's a really nice accommodation, actually. This is the door. Yeah, it's not nothing special. We have a mirror over here. Yep, that's my outfit of the day. My luggage, my roommate's luggage. This is our workstation. As you can see, we literally have everything else here except for our schoolwork. There's some pineapple we got. Yeah, we didn't eat it all. For some reason, I thought it was a good idea to bring my nail set to me to China. Do I regret it? No. What? Why? No, absolutely not. C'est la vue. I was just thinking of the word in Chinese, but I don't know it. This are stairs up to my roommate's bed. Hello, sir, would you like to focus? That is her area. And then this is mine. That chair usually goes here, but I was just too annoyed to like stand up and get stuff, so I just put it there. Anyways, these are our wardrobes. This is my side, but as you can tell, it's very tidied up. This is the bathroom. We don't actually have a real shower, we just have a shower head, but it works out totally fine. Turns out shower doors are a necessity that you don't need. So they're not a necessity at all. This is our toilet. This, I don't know what it is. My roommate put it there and I don't know how to ask her for it, so I just go with it. I also accidentally bought a toilet brush, and now we have two. I mean, it's better than having none, right? That's it. That's our humble home. Now you see, children, you can live like this. No shower door. Now get over yourself.